하지만 방탄소년단이 진격한다면 어떨까?
진격해 방탄소년단처럼 진격해 방탄소년단처럼 진격해 방탄소년단처럼 진격해 방탄소년단처럼 진격 용감하지?
Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, chunky, that funky monkey. Brass monkey,
That's more than real.
drink brass monkey, here's how you feel.
You put your left leg
Down.
your right leg up. Tilt your head back, let's finish the cut.
MCA with the bottle.
Ross and Rockets nice with Charlie Chan.
We're on the move at
We don't mind shivers wherever we go. We bring the monkey with us. At
my DSD.
double off with the bill, most definitely.
I drink brass monkey and I rock well. I got a castle in Brooklyn, that's where I dwell. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, chunky, that funky monkey.
Hey, mama said the way you move gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove.
And here it is. Nice and homey. On the first day I was in here getting training, a wasp flew out of that vent way up there and landed in my hair, and the supervisor had to tell me, and almost just like collapsed right here and died.
Yeah. I like shining, you be lying. I be grinding, you waste time. No, you wanna roll with me, cause you know I put it down. When I show up, I'm the one and only. No. Yeah, I'll pull up in the jack. Haters gon' be mad. I've been walking with the cheese, that's the queso. Queso. Diamonds dripping, that'll bring your raincoat. Splash. I got the racks on me. I brought the whole thing with me. I might pull up in the spaceship. My body don't look like I live here. And now we in a zone. Stand too close, might catch a cold. Crib can read a gate and a code. Yeah. Dripping water faucet. Splash. Baby, it's my diamonds. I don't need no light to shine. I stop off my wrist, now I can barely see the time. I just made $1 million and I'm still not satisfied. Cause I need the bag of the regular. I spend the bag of the
Yourself and say what we're doing.
My name is Joe Heimerl, and we are here in Engineering 216. Great class. We've been given the task of thinking about a solution to create a fire escape that you can jump right out the window and land on the ground safely.
My name is Kevin. What do you want me to say?
What do you want to say?
I'm the alpha of the group.
Best and worst part about this school.
Why couldn't you give me time to think before you responded?
Okay, I'll give you a break.
What, best part?
Yeah.
The weight room.
Uh-huh.
Worst part? The school.
Okay.
Alright. Best part, the guys.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Worst part, the girls.
Okay.
I was gonna say, I was like, the best part, the men. The worst part, the women.
Okay.
Your parents watch this?
I feel like they probably will.
I really like studying with Jackson.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He's a good guy.
Yeah.
Wholesome dude.
What do you really think?
That's what I think.
That's really what you
Yeah.
think?
And bad? There's just no bad side.
Oh, okay. Yeah, A&M's perfect.
I've been happy since I moved in.
On the spot, what are the best and worst part about the agricultural and mechanical school of Texas?
There are no worst parts, baby. You nation.
I'm giving
Just
up.
start talking.
So, once upon a time, there was a frog. And this frog had two friends. Andy, the male frog.
The male.
Charlotte, the female frog. And then Richard. I can't finish this joke in public.
Yeah. Just climb over.
Hey, do y'all have anything interesting to say?
Charlie, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Howdy. Charlie has a song to sing.
하면 머리 아파도 바디도 간술 같아
수분이 계수병이지 매일 알아놓으면 본인지 내일이면 또 잠깐 잊었다가 또 모레쯤이면 생각나겠지만 그래도 어떡해 아직 내 사랑 유효한데 돌아올 거라고 믿는데 난 너만 기다리는데 너를 사랑해 I love you girl